Worried to face an interview? Here we go. To face an interview, you need to follow three things: confidence, clarity, and a structured approach. Today, let me present a structured approach to face the interview board with confidence and clarity. So here we go. The interview starts with a greeting. This first meet, the greeting, speaks about you, followed by your introduction, that is, your name and from where you belong to. Your educational qualification plays a very big role. Your educational qualification also demands your expertise. The expertise means your skills, in which field you are proficient enough, followed by the interest to the company. If you are applying to a particular company, there must be a motive. What is your interest? What draws you towards that particular company? For which, again, I will guide you how to go about it. Followed by your hobbies. You need to highlight your personal side to the company, highlighting your hobbies, your likes, and your dislikes. Come to the conclusion finally with expressing your gratitude and confidence. Please note down the details before I go into the detailed explanation of each and every point. Hope you all have noted down. So let's start the class. Let's start with the greeting. Greeting plays a very big role because your greeting will speak about you. So always start your greeting with a very warm gesture but with a professional tone. That is must. Your gesture should be very, very warm, cordial, but at the same time there should be a professional tone. तो आप जब खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे किसी को ग्रीट कर रहे हैं? ग्रीट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सुप्रभात हो या शुभ दोपहर हो, ये ग्रीट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये ग्रीटिंग जो है, ये जितना ही कॉन्फिडेंस आपका दिखाएगा उतना ही प्रोफेशनलिज्म बताएगा. तो आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो उसमें एक नमी भी रहना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ उसमें एक प्रोफेशनल टच भी रहना चाहिए. So let's see the different ways of introduction, or rather the greeting. The first point we need to remember when we are greeting someone or greeting the interview panel, it should be very, very formal and professional. As I told you, formal and professional. जैसे जैसे हम पॉइंट्स लिखते जाएंगे, आप काइंडली अपना नोटबुक में नोट करते जाइए. प्लीज नोट डाउन whatever I'm discussing in this video. So, formal and professional. How can we do that? I set an example. As you enter, when you enter the interview board, you should walk very briskly. Your shoulder should be held tight. शोल्डर जो है, आपका कंधा जो है, उसको एकदम टाइट रख के सीधा चलना है. और जब आप इंटरव्यू बोर्ड में बात कर रहे हैं, जब इंटरव्यू पैनल के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, तो उनके आंखों के तरफ देख के बात कीजिए. उसका कॉन्फिडेंस आपको दिखेगा, ना कि नीचे झुक के. बहुत जरूरी है आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस को दिखाने के लिए. तो good morning, esteemed panel. It is my privilege to be here today to speak about myself. I appreciate your time and look forward for a very meaningful conversation. ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं, this इन द माइंड ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर कि ये बंदा जो है ना इसमें काफी कॉन्फिडेंस है और वो जो आया है ना कॉन्वर्सेशन को लंबा चलाने के लिए आया है, फट से इंटरव्यू खत्म नहीं होगा, ये बंदा बात करने वाला है। तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस आपको दिखाना है आपका फर्स्ट ग्रीटिंग में। It should be, your tone should be, now let us come to the tone. Tone मतलब आपका आवाज, it should be very polite, it shouldn't be very rough, yet very engaging. मतलब आप नहीं बोल सकते good morning sir, it should be a very polite one. Good morning esteemed panel, it's my privilege to be here. ये जो पोलाइट टोन है, इस टोन को आपको मेंटेन करना है. At the same time, engaging. Because how we can prove it is an engaging? Because you are using the words like that. Like looking forward for a meaningful conversation. Thank you for sparing your time. Giving me an opportunity. I'm privileged. So, इस type का words when you are using, जब आप use कर रहे हैं, that will show that this interview is going to be an engaging one. So my second point is it should be very, very polite and engaging. Polite and engaging. I hope up to this I'm very clear to all. Kindly note down the points. Points को note करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And my third point is you have to be very, very direct and confident. बहुत 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 important point है. आपको अपना confidence वहाँ पे दिखाना है and you have to be very, very direct. Confident and direct. What do I mean by this word direct? Direct means you will not beat around the bush. You are facing the interview, there should be a tone of professionalism. So you cannot go and say, sir, how are you? How do you do? These things are not entertained. You have to be very, very direct without beating around the bush. I repeat, without beating around the bush. Be very, very direct. Seedha, that I'm thankful that I got an opportunity to face the interview panel. So these greetings are very, very important. Maintain the professionalism, yet there should be a warmth in your tone. Very, very polite, very, very engaging, but at the same time, it will speak about your confidence level. So please note down these points which will help you to shape up the greeting part of your interview board. So note it down. I hope all of you have noted down. Well, now let me give you an example. An example which you may copy and present it in front of the interviewer. I am a candidate and I enter the interview board. As I told you, you have to hold your shoulders straight and walk with confidence and stand there and greet. Good morning, esteemed panel of interviewers. It is a privilege that today I got a chance to meet you all people. I am delighted and sincerely thankful to you to giving an opportunity to present myself in front of you. I appreciate your time and look forward for a meaningful conversation. So this introduction ke baad, I'm going to speak about myself, which I'm going to discuss in the second point. I hope this is clear to you all. काफ़ी लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन था मेरा. अगर आप चाहें तो आप इसको शॉर्ट भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि होता है क्या, जब हम इंटरव्यू बोर्ड के सामने रहते हैं तो काफ़ी घबराहट होता है. तो अगर हम इतना लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दे पा रहे, we can make it a short one, yet a smart one, like Good morning, esteemed panel. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to present myself in front of you. This way it can be, ये एक तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका आप इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं. Good morning, sir. I appreciate that you have spared your time and given me an opportunity to present myself in front of you. इतना छोटा इंट्रोडक्शन भी आपका चलेगा.
3.
Next point, your full name and location. After the greeting, you need to introduce yourself. Now, this introduction, your name and your place, it should be present in a very refined and obviously confident way. This part should not take away more than 15 to 20 seconds. This is the place where I'll be disclosing my name and the place from where I'm coming from. So, here I give you an example. Suppose I'm from West Bengal. So, I can introduce myself in this way. My name is Vishakha Mukherjee and I hail from Barashat, West Bengal. But I have been raised up in Kolkata. Now see, I could have easily said that my name is Vishakha Mukherjee and I come from Barashat. In place of come from or I belong to, I could have used, but I have used the word hail from. This hail from जब हम बोलते हैं तो इससे इंटरव्यूअर को पता चलता है कि ये बच्चा काफी कॉन्फिडेंट है and he has good word stock. He's quite fluent with his language and confident with his language. So try to use not too complicated but also not too simple words. ज़्यादा आसान words भी use नहीं करना है, ज़्यादा complicated vocabularies भी use नहीं करना है, but something in middle. Like as I said, I hail from Barashat, West Bengal, but have been raised up. Have been raised up के बदले में अगर हम सिंपल वे में बोलना चाहें तो हम बोल सकते थे that I have done my schooling from at Kolkata. तो उसको हम थोड़ा सा रिफाइन करके हम बोलते हैं that I have been raised up in Kolkata. So that refined and confidence should be there in your introduction. Okay, so please note it. Our next highlight is educational background. This is the most important part of your interview. ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट है इंटरव्यू का जहाँ पे आपको अपना एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में बोलना है. और हम जब भी अपने एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में बात करेंगे, इट्स बेटर टू स्टार्ट विद द हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन. आपका हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है? द लेटेस्ट वन. नहीं, 10th के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे, 12th के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे, हम अपना ग्रेजुएशन लेवल के बात नहीं करेंगे. जो मेरा हाईएस्ट होगा, मेरा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इज द हाईएस्ट, तो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के लेवल में बात करेंगे जो मेरा हाईएस्ट डिग्री है. आफ्टर दैट आई विल स्पीक अबाउट माय अचीवमेंट्स, एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट्स. जब हम क्वालिफिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम अपना हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन बोल रहे हैं, तो वहां पे जरूर मेरा कोई अचीवमेंट रहा होगा. There are some achievements. I'll speak about my achievements followed by ये जो जॉब के लिए हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, इसमें मेरा एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन मुझे किस तरह से हेल्प कर रहा, हाउ माई एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन is going to prove beneficial with the role for the job which I have applied for. That is very, very important. That link is very, very important. And at the same time, I will be highlighting my additional qualifications. That is also important, needed. My co-curricular achievements. If I have done something extra other than my academics, I will be highlighting that. Okay. So first you note down the points and then I will give you an example of how to present your academic qualification. Please note down. I've noted it down? चलिए, let us take it in this way कि I have applied in a company where I have been for a position of a translator. एक translator का post के लिए मैं apply कर रही हूँ. Okay? तो यहाँ पे मेरे education qualification के बारे में मुझे बात करना है. So how shall I start? I hold my master's degree in English from Delhi University, where I specialized in linguistics and education. I'm a gold medalist in my special paper in British English, and my academic journey allowed me to develop a deep understanding of the language and my communication techniques, which will obviously add an edge to the role of a translator for which I am here. I have also completed my diploma course in German from IGNU. So यहाँ पे देखिए हम जो इंट्रोडक्शन दिए हैं वहाँ पे मैंने पहले बताया मेरा एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है,